Go to https://github.com/jamesabella/mindmap to get started. You can use this custom GPT to generate a mind map for you. Let's start by asking it, what makes a good mind map? Once it's generated its ideas, then you can click on the link to generate. It will generate topic and nodes for you. You can still edit if you please before making a mind map. Alternatively, you can start with a blank mind map. Use Enter and Tab to quickly create new nodes, or you can press the buttons. This is especially useful if you are using an interactive whiteboard or on-screen keyboard. If your mind map gets too big, use the snipping tool to put the node and its children into a new mind map. You can create links and images with the link button. Just copy and paste, or type the link you want, or add an image to the file. You can even change the size to fit. Use the clipboard to either copy all the text, or for quick text editing of the mind map. Either copy to the clipboard for use in PowerPoint, Slides, Keynote, or a word processor, or you can use the built-in text editor to edit the mind map itself. Here you can edit the mind map as text and make a new design. For simpler mind maps, you can just copy and paste the link, but you can also save your mind map to your computer as a JSON file and then click Open to bring it back up. You can save an image. You can save a PowerPoint file. Here is an example. You can change from edit to move mode. This is useful for interactive whiteboards and to reorganize your mind map. If you drag onto another node, then it will become a child mode of it.